Hi YouTube, welcome to my channel. My name is Covey and I'm so freaking excited to have you all here with me today. Today's very first makeup video is going to be a simple everyday tutorial and we're going to get right into that. I start off by spritzing my face with my facial water and putting on a moisturizer. This is by Pure Tropix. After that, I follow with two primers. First, I start off with my Fenty Beauty and I apply that all over my face. And then I use my Becca Evermatte Poreless Primer Perfector just to really focus on the areas that I get super oily in, which is my T-zone. So I'm sure to just pat that good into all of those areas. I'm going to do my brows off camera, but I'm using my Anastasia Beverly Hills brow pencil. Following that, I'm going to go in with my foundation, which is by Becca. It's their 24-hour complexion cream in the color Tobacco. I'm going to have all of the information for everything I use in the description below. I wore makeup earlier that day and I took it off and I had freaking lipstick on my teeth. So, you know, that's just awesome. That's just perfect. After I buff that in with the brush, I go in with my beauty blender and pat all over my face just so I can really get a airbrush finish. After that, I'm going to go in with my LA Girl Pro Conceal in the color medium beige. And I apply that in all the areas that I want to conceal or highlight. This freaking concealer, y'all, is so great and it's so affordable. And I know every time I grab it, it's going to do the job. After I apply that, I'm not going to blend it out right away. I'm going to just let it chill out and settle into my skin. That way I can get full coverage. I'm going to go in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills Powder Contour Kit in the color Tan to Deep and use the two darkest colors to contour my face. I'm just going to really carve out my cheekbones, put some on my forehead and underneath my chin. Or I mean my jawline, because I want to, I want to shave off like 15 pounds if I can. After that, I'm going to blend in that concealer and use my Beauty Bakerie flour to set that concealer. I'm using a brush on the first go round. This is my Morphe brush. It's amazing. I just love it. I just freaking love it. It gets the job done and it's pretty precise. So wherever I put it, I know that that's where it's going to be. After that, I'm going to use that same Anastasia palette to bronze. I'm using the top middle color and the lightest color. This palette is so diverse. I use it to contour. I use it to bronze. I contour my nose. And days where I don't really want to put on eyeshadow, I use that palette to add some colors to my eyes. So that's what I'm doing there. I'm using the top middle color and the bottom middle color on my eyes just to bring some color to it. After that is the second part of my setting powders. I go in with Sacha Buttercup. I don't like to bake, so I apply it all over my face. And as soon as I have it applied, I sweep it off with the brush. On that brush, I have my Laura Mercier medium to dark translucence powder. It really helps bring the color back to my face. And just so we can eliminate that super powdery look, I'm going to spray my face once again and pat that in with a beauty blender that really eliminates all of the powdery look. I just got this. Well, I didn't just get it. This is my first time using this by Girlactik. It's a duo highlighter and blush. I got it in my BoxyCharm box and I'm not that excited about it. So I went in and used my Pur Bronze and Brighten palette and I mean, just look at the highlight. It's phenomenal. I used a blush in that Pure Bronze and Brighten palette and it was just too shimmery for me. So I'm going in with my Note blush. This is in the color Desert Rose. It's amazing. And I'm using another fluffy brush just to blend out that intensity of that first blush I applied. This is my Benefit brow gel. I just got to lay down my brows. Listen, y'all, if you got some curly cues like me and you need something heavy duty, go ahead and pick up that Benefit because that Benefit brow gel is amazing. I applied my lashes off of camera because that can take all day. And I'm spritzing my face just to set it with my Badescu facial spray. Here I'm lining my lips with my Cork liner that's by MAC. It's my go-to liner every freaking day. And I'm putting on my Fenty Beauty Universal Gloss Bomb Lip Gloss. And that's the look, you guys. It's that easy, that simple, and it's good to go. I'm so happy that you all came here today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, y'all. Tell me what you think. I'm open to all criticism, just as long as it's kind of nice. Be sure to tell a friend to come over to my channel because we're going to have a damn good time, okay? Remember to love yourself. Self-love is the best love, and makeup is life. Peace.